This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by j.cherney. Open house Saturday, June 24th, for 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Completely renovated. This was a 2-bedroom, 1-story. Now it is a 4-bedroom, 2-story family home. Large front porch to welcome you in. The great room has soaring 12-foot ceilings and a double-sided original brick fireplace. The kitchen is equipped with a farmhouse sink, gas range with stainless hood vent, dishwasher, and open shelving. The primary bedroom has double sinks and tile shower. Enter from the back porch into the generous-sized laundry/mudroom. Upstairs are 3 more bedrooms and a full bath. For more information, review the details below or contact j.cherney at 770-914-9250.